Hello and welcome to another update video on FET. Fetch.AI chart has reacted well to our support area in June. This support area has been on the chart for more than a month. I think for like 6 to 7 weeks, and the price is now did approach it and is now leaving the support area to the upside, which is a good sign. So I'm watching still for this potential rally to $1.55, maybe higher, in the first instance, into this blue target area. The condition is, however, that we are holding above this June low, which formed at around 55 cents. Because any break below it will invalidate the idea that we have started circle wave C to the upside and that we are on our way to $1.55 plus. However, a break below it doesn't necessarily invalidate completely the potential bullish structure, even though with how it looks like, it would be really good if the low was now in. It can stomach one more low. Yeah, if the price gets another low, then the area between 51 cents and 43 cents would be a relevant, you could say, target for one more low. But below 43 cents, we have to start to assume that this entire upside reversal attempt has failed. So far, it's been following it nicely over the last few months. We had a 5-wave move up, a corrective pullback, as it should be, a reaction to support, an impulsive reaction even, because on the smaller time frame, this looks like a 5-wave move up. So I'm overall quite positive, at least at the moment, about higher prices. We have now reached a target, or nearly reached a target, on the smaller time frame, so I'm going to take you through that now. Here on the smaller time frame, what you can see is that the price bottomed on the 22nd of June in a B wave, and we could indeed be in a C wave rally to the upside. This is the support area you saw on the larger time frame. You see there was a reaction, a 3-wave rally into the swing high Tuesday the 24th of June, then a 4th wave sideways consolidation. If you remember, a few days ago I shared with you here this micro support area, and it's been holding. And the idea was to get a 5-wave move up, a full set of 5 waves. We want this support area to hold. The price broke then above our signal lines here, and we're now approaching this target. What is this target? It's an ideal target area for the 5th wave of wave 1. So if we really say a B wave bottom, then obviously a C wave up should have 5 waves, right? And I shared with you the targets for those just now on the daily time frame. But again, that C wave, should be a 5-wave move. So we are tracking if the price can form here a micro 5-wave move up. Anyway, it's done that now, and it's now approaching the first target. Doesn't mean we have to exactly get there. This is already a 5-wave move up. What I would like to see at some point then is a pullback in wave 2 to confirm this structure before we break out. Now, a direct breakout to the upside is of course possible, and if we get a decisive break above 79.3 cents, then it becomes more probable that we're in a direct breakout, or at least this here does not really count anymore then as a 5-wave move. And in that case, then also the next structural level that comes into focus is here around 83.5 cents. Now, this is exactly where I would say, I haven't checked it, but yeah, it looks like where that 100% extension level is located as well. So the risk is always that if in a 5th wave the market breaks above the 78.6 extension, then it starts to look more like a 3-wave move. That means it's either a 3-wave move again, or we are moving into, or morphing, transforming into a larger 5-wave pattern. For now, I'm tracking it as an extension of wave 1 here, but if we go any higher than that, we might have to adjust the structure. But I want to share with you, this area would then likely be strong resistance around 84 cents, because there is structural resistance and there is also the 100% Fibonacci extension. So that's just key resistance. So yeah, overall, I don't think there is anything to add to the analysis. Support levels are holding. We're now watching if the market can form a proper 5-wave move up. I'll keep you updated about that and the proportions. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, I invite you to follow us on X for additional updates. There are additional updates, analysis, video updates, and much more. And you can find the link to our X profile in the description. I've also linked it in the comment section. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.